So folks, here we are again at the 2023 Newark Vintage Tractor and Heritage Show. It's a very wet drive down and a very wet day in Prospect, but you know, it's 1 year since I started the channel and this is the first event that I tried to cover on the channel. Good to be back at Newark Showground. Hordes of people here already, quite a queue to get in. It's the biggest vintage tractor show in the UK as far as I'm aware, and it's going to be a day of anniversaries. Not only is it my first anniversary of the channel, there's some more important anniversaries being celebrated at the show as well. So we'll get in the queue, get ourselves in, and I think coffee might be the first port of call. Good day in Prospect despite the weather. It looks really good. Yeah.
Some accident. It was mashed up. People do it. They just buy stuff and stick it in the shed. It's almost like a belly tank to a window, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see that up.
Yeah.
really could use it. Resell tomorrow.
We've got the David Brown 780 two-wheel drive diesel tractor, recently refurbished on the old G-Reg, 5,034 hours on the clock. Got a key in the office for this one. Where are we going to be? A very, very nice example. Yeah, it's a lot longer.
I'm fascinated by cars, commercials and other vehicles of all ages. Classics, future classics, vintage and the just plain interesting. There's plenty more videos coming with event reviews, auction news, featured vehicles and owner interviews. This could just be YouTube's most eclectic car channel. Well, whatever it is, I hope you enjoy the content. Thank you to everyone who subscribes to the channel and comments on the videos, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one.